Cheese was first discovered thousands of years ago, and cows were milked by the first farmers.
Animal stomachs and intestines were used as vessels to transport the milk.
The first farmers discovered that when the milk was carried in calf's stomach, it coagulated. They got very annoyed with each other for ruining the milk.
After a while, they discovered that this coagulated milk actually tasted very good. They had found a tasty way to preserve milk. Love was restored. They smiled and said cheese.
Apart from milk, the main ingredient used in cheese making are cultures or bacteria and rennet.
The culture does two jobs. It gives the cheese flavour, and it also converts lactose or milk sugar into lactic acid, which preserves the cheese from bad bacteria and also adds flavour. Grass contains natural cultures. Because Irish cows are mostly fed on grass, this means that Irish cheese is the best tasting cheese in the world.
Rennet is present in the stomach of young animals that drink milk. It combines the protein together to make milk easier to digest. This causes the milk to form a curd. This is why the milk coagulated in the stomach of the calf.
After the milk coagulates, we need to cut it and mix it to break it into curds and whey. There are several different processes at this stage depending on the type of cheese required.
Next, we need to drain off most of the whey.
Here we are filling the curds into the cheesecloth lined molds.
Draining the last of the curd, notice our cheese vat is a stainless steel beer barrel.
Next we have to squeeze out as much whey as we can using a press that's made from an old pallet. Measuring the pressure using an old bathroom scale.
We made a salt solution to draw moisture from the cheese by osmosis. We added whey to the mixture to prevent calcium being drawn from the cheese.
This is our finished cheese. It has to be matured now for 6 weeks before tasting.
This is the finished product. This is fantastic, homemade every time. Best cheese I ever tasted. Is